Hello everyone, and welcome to the Christmas in July YouTube hop with European Paper Crafts. There are 4 channels participating, and I will have the links to those channels in the description box. Just like any other hop, of course, there are giveaways. Each channel will be giving away 2 card kits, and I will show you that at the end of the video. For now, I just want to give you all the rules. Of course, you must subscribe to all of the 4 channels, comment on the videos, just write us a really nice comment about the project that we are going to show you, and likes are really appreciated. So this giveaway will run through Friday, July 20th. Actually, Friday, July 20th is the day we will announce the winner. Also, during this hop, European Paper Crafts is offering a 20% discount on all Christmas products. The code to use is XMissJuly, and I will have that right here on the screen. And this coupon code is good through Sunday, July 29th at midnight Pacific time, so California time. Alright, now that I've mentioned all of that, I would like to start with the project. So here are some of the items that I used using stuff that I got from European Paper Crafts online store. So I used some of these stickers, and I used one of these, and as you can see, I still have a lot left. I got from my first DT project, and these are rosettes. As you can see, I was going to use this one, but I ended up using a smaller one, and that's just a cupcake liner behind it. And of course, I used this super cute paper, you guys. I did kind of give a flip through in my last video, which I'll have up there. I showed it because I had said that maybe by the time you see it again, it'll be all cut up, and it is cut up, as you can see. Also, I made I guess it's called like a shadow box mini album. Yeah, let me just show it to you. Alright, you guys, and here it is. As you can see, this is the cover of my mini album, and I did not make this cover the spined and the front cover and the back cover. These were already pre-made, so I made the process a lot easier for me. And this is this book is by Zutter. If you guys know the Zutter Bind It All, if you're familiar with that, then you know what I'm talking about. It is a machine from like a long time ago. I've had it in my stash a long time ago. I finally got to use it, you guys, for the very first time. In the front, I added this super cute shadow box. Now, there is a tutorial for this that I followed by Lisa, who is Shabylicious by Lisa, I think. I will have that video in the description box in case you're interested on how to make this shadow box. It is super easy to make, and this is what it looks like, you guys. So this image is from that paper collection, and you can see he is somewhat dimensional. There is, oh, also, a lot of the dies that I used in this mini album, if you want to know where they're from, you can watch my last video where I show you all the die cuts. So this is from Cottage Cuts, as well as this. I ended up adding them here. Here is a snowflake and a cluster of flowers. And I will have a tutorial on how to make these poinsettias. This is a prima flower. And that's about it. Look, you guys, it is so pretty. I love the way that looks. And then this opens up, and this is what that looks like. This is from Polka Doodles. This little present is also from the same paper collection, the one that I showed you. So it's from this one, and you can see right there, there's a present, and so I just added it to him to make it look like he's holding it. And I kept my pages extremely simple, you guys. I am not a master at making mini albums. Last time I made a mini album was like 7 years ago or more. So I kept it fairly simple, and I only decorated the front of each page. Alright, so here is another poinsettia that says fa la la, and that's what that looks like. Here is, this is also from that paper collection that you can make it 3D, as you can see. It's super cute. And there's a bow, of course. Oh my gosh, I just love that little peeking Santa bear. He is adorable. And then another from that same paper collection, and of course also dimensional. This is a little snowflake that you can also find at the store. And then this, I made it into a pocket, and I even added some die cuts in there. There is that rosette, another snowflake, 'tis the season, and here is what's inside. And also this you can also find at the store. And then that's, oh yeah, I forgot about this. There's the Merry Christmas. And look how cute that is, you guys. That is so cute. This is from a digital collection. This, and then I just added this, something very simple, and that's about it. What's nice about this mini album, you guys, is that this comes out, as you can see, so it was easy for me to, you know, alter. And I did use the pink wires, so that was like really nice, you know, because it matches the paper. So, and then that's the back, and then we are back to the front again. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. I really like it. So that is my project for today, you guys. Now let me show you what you can win. Okay, so 2 lucky winners can win this kit right here, and these are card kits, and as you can see, it comes with a lot of stuff, you guys. So you can make, oh my gosh, look at this card. I had not opened it. This is the first time I'm seeing this. Look at that window. That's really pretty. And then you can alter these. You can add these. These are called toppers. These are those images that, you know, layer on top of each other, and it makes it super dimensional. Look at that rose, and they're really nice embellishments. These are just images. And then there is some of those die cuts, I think. Oh no, these are images as well. And that's it. So as you can see, there's 2 of them there. And it even includes a coupon code for you to use, you know, later. And yeah, so this is open. Unfortunately, this is only open in the US. These are sponsored by European Paper Crafts. But if I happen to pick a international winner, I will personally send you a PayPal credit to your PayPal account, or to any crafty online store. All right, you guys, now that you've seen the project and now that you have seen what you can win, don't forget to write us a nice comment, and I can't wait to hear what you guys think about my project. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you have an awesome day. Bye everyone.